Welcome to another episode of Our Spanish Patio. It's been a while since our last episode, but due to the incredible demand of the dozen subscribers, 3 of which are here, we thought we'd do a special episode, January 4th, 2022. And this is going to be a garden tour at our friend Nick's house, who's, tell us a little bit about this house.
The house was purchased by my parents about 20 years ago. So you'll see a section of the garden with mature trees and figs and lemon trees that have been there for a number of years. And then another section that has been taken over by myself, and that's more recent. So you'll find a few almond trees, mangoes, avocados, and they've just been planted a couple of years ago. All right, so
And we took the opportunity, since they had the little bit of ground, to plant 35 or so chili pepper plants for our hot sauce, hot pepper. So he's the grower, I'm the cooker.
Yeah,
Cookist.
I
Cooker.
produce, he does his magic.
Yeah, and now we sell it
And,
for thousands of nothing.
So
That's
so
it.
you'll be seeing the garden and the chili patch.
Over to you, Nick.
Yeah, come on then, follow
do
me.
this.
Just a quick tour of the different plants and trees I have, right?
That's right.
Well, over here, these are fairly new. These two are mango trees we've planted maybe 3 years ago. And it's only this year that they've really caught on. Leaves until now, not this side, but until now they were nice, green and lush, and they're doing really well. This is the main lemon tree. I have another small one they're growing, but this one's been here for a good 10 years. It delivers at least 10, 15 kilos of lemons every year. He does well. And our 2 fig trees. The fig trees in this house, they're the star tree. We've got 2 really, really big fig trees here and another 4 you'll see up there. And on a good year, we'll have, I don't know, 30, 40 kilos of figs. So pretty good production. And for the past couple of years, we've been doing a bit of marmalade and experimenting a bit on the figs. They're the star tree in this garden. And if you follow me around, the pomelo tree over here, this was planted last year. It's already given us 4 juicy pomelos. He's suffering a little bit and needs to be pruned, but he's done well. He's grown quite a bit this year. And just behind the camera is a small lemon tree. This lemon tree came from Malaga. We had it in the top, we had it in the patio upstairs, and he was in a pot, wasn't doing too well. And this year he's really taken off. He's given us 5 lemons, so good first year production. Behind you, the olive tree. This also comes from Malaga, and we haven't collected anything this year, but he's doing really well. What do you think, Alfie? It's doing well, no?
Looking great.
It's looking good. Yeah, healthy. But yeah, we haven't had any olives this year. We've just planted these 2 almond trees, and they've been here for 2 months, so can't expect much from them. We'll see how they grow over the next year or so. Almond tree here, almond tree on the other end.
Beautiful.
Follow me up. This is probably the main garden for many years. My parents started off with this patch. That was a lot of work, and then gradually moved their way down. And in this main area, you'll have what I mentioned before, the star fig trees. We've got 4 fully grown, mature fig trees. Obviously at this time of the year, they've lost all their leaves, but in their splendor, they'll produce kilos and kilos of figs, really nice juicy figs. So they're the star players here in this garden. And other than that, we've got a laurel tree. Laurel? Yeah. Is that how you say it? Laurel?
Bayleaf.
Bayleaf. And madroño. I don't know what madroño is in English.
Madroño.
Okay. All right. This is the top part of the garden with the grass, cypress trees, kids playing soccer. We've got an orange tree in the background. This is basic garden for running around, kids playing their soccer, a bit of ping pong. Not so much for fruit trees. Nothing that requires too much work. Just garden area. Picnic table where we'll soon be having a barbecue. And in this little island over here, my parents have planted a series of cacti. So a whole variety of different cacti and palm trees and just miscellaneous trees. I think this is pretty much the house without going into too much detail. Anyone wants to add anything? No?